I'm Tara Mergener, Eyewitness News.
Now here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Yes, there is some cold weather in the forecast and also a chance for another snowstorm, but let's start with the good news first. Here is good news. It's a nice sunrise over the URI campus. I've been watching this the past several hours. Some really pretty colors being created by the clouds blending with that sunshine. And when we look at our weather headlines, that chill will hang on for at least 4 or 5 days. There are some signs days 6 and 7 we may get a little bit of a warm up, but at this point it doesn't look like much of one. It'll be cool and windy today, not quite as windy tomorrow. So coming up in a few minutes, you'll see the Saturday and Sunday forecast. The temperatures will look similar. However, the comfort level will be quite a bit different. It improves as we head into tomorrow. We'll talk about those exact wind chills coming up in just a minute. And then, yes, I am watching that storm for Monday. Right now, it looks like a near miss is the solution that most of those computer models are trending on. I do agree with that. However, a complete miss looks unlikely. It does look like we'll get grazed by at least a little bit of rain, snow, or perhaps some sleet. We'll talk about that at the conclusion of this very informative forecast. In the meantime, we look at live Pinpoint Doppler 12. Some snow showers here in Connecticut. A few of these may actually survive the trip into Rhode Island over the next several hours. Here is a look at some of the rest of our temperatures. Worcester, Massachusetts, still sitting at a chilly 26 degrees. And trust me, with that wind blowing in Worcester, the wind chill much worse than that. On the satellite picture, you'll notice that disturbance with the clouds and some of those snow showers pushing through. I'm expecting by late morning into early afternoon that we get rid of most of those clouds, and then late afternoon a few of them may return. Now notice these actual temperatures in the low 40s, but this tells more of the story. It's your wind chill forecast, and notice it doesn't get much above the mid 30s into the afternoon. So you definitely want the jacket, the gloves, maybe even the hat if you're outside today because of that wind. Winds will be gusting around 30 miles an hour at times today with sustained winds between about 10 and 20. So we look at your 7-day futurecast. Today, a little bit more in the way of cloud cover, but still a decent amount of sunshine. Tomorrow, mostly sunny, still breezy, but less wind. So our wind chills tomorrow in the low 40s. So tomorrow, the winner of the next 2 days, if we're talking basketball, college basketball terms. Then on Monday, you can see that snow coming down. Again, at this point, a direct hit looks unlikely, but I do think we'll at least get a glancing blow, to use boxing terms, really going with the sports analogy this morning. Glancing blow, which would bring perhaps a light mixture of snow, sleet, or rain. But we have to watch this carefully because if it moves further to the north, then of course we have a much bigger situation on our hands. And I'll be tracking this weekend. TJ will be as well. Tony and Michelle in next week to also track the storm. A team effort here at Eyewitness News. Now look at these temperatures. Middle to the end of the week, you can see mid to upper 40s. I really want to put some low 50s on there. Trust me, I really do. I can't quite do that yet because it looks like, to really break into a warm spring-like pattern, we're not quite there yet. Eventually, though, don't worry, we do get there. Don't worry about WPRI.com. You can always go there for your latest weather updates.
Now, Eyewitness Sports with Sarah Hogan.
With March Madness dominating the airwaves, college hockey is used to taking a backseat to basketball this time of year, but locally, hockey fans have a reason to tune in to a couple of local schools in postseason play. PC taking on top seed UMass Lowell in the Hockey East semifinals last night at the Garden in Boston. First period action. Friars looking good offensively. The wrister shot no good, but Kevin Rooney is there for the rebound. His first goal of the